How to buy ChirpPad token. So this token came under the symbol of CHPT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, if you go to MEXC listing account on the X website, you will be able to find this post on their account. As you can see, they said here, we are thrilled to announce that the ChirpPad Kickstart has concluded and CHPT token will be listed on MEXC. So as you can see, this token listed on 26 on February on MEXC. So go to your account on MEXC to buy this token. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account and reach benefit from rewards and find it in some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, go to your account on MEXC. And now go back to this post to copy the token sample. So after you copy it, go back to your account and in the search paste it. So you'll be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, select the buy option and click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. And here we'll be able to see how much you'll be able to pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy CHPD. Now this is how to buy CHPD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.